before we get started, the first thing I want to say is that in no way, shape, or form am I claiming to be a health and beauty professional or a barber of any sort or a facial follicle guru. Alright, none of that. I have a very unique set of skills that I've acquired over a long period of time. Skills that hopefully will make me an asset to somebody like you. I've gone from being someone wishing they could grow a beard with the bald face, the baby face, to somebody having facial hair with patches in it. They call me Patch, you know. Then to going and having the struggle beard. Everybody's seen the struggle beard. You know what the struggle beard is. To now being bearded and walking in my bearded glory and getting compliments and all of that. So hopefully I'll be able to help somebody reach that level. All I'm doing is giving you the skills that I used to get where I am. Hopefully it'll help you. Point blank period. Alright? Boom. So today what I want to focus on, the whole point of today's video, is to show you how to get rid of the bad in your hair, in your beard. Alright, so you want to eliminate the dirt, whatever buildup you might have in there, even in your pores, which will then help you grow more or grow facial hair. Alright, you want to get all the toxins out, all the, like I said, the gunk and grime that builds up from putting products or whatever you're doing to your face, oil, sweat, whatever. Alright, so we're going to get all of that out, and I'm going to show you how, man. It's very simple. It's a very simple product, very simple process. You don't got to go buy all this over-the-counter crazy stuff and gunk and all of that. You don't got to do that. Alright, trust me. I just came from work. This is my face. That's how I look every day. Alright, I ain't the worst, but I ain't the best. It's just me. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Indian bentonite clay. Alright? The whole point of what this does is it absorbs the impurities that's in your skin, in your pores, and your hair follicles. Alright? It's going to do that. Take all of that out for you. Get rid of it. Alright? Then we're going to clear the skin. Because fellas, let me be honest with you. Ladies talk about us, man. You might think you the flyest dude and all of that. When they get together, they talk about us. They call us, alligator skin or Deadpool. Or, some of the stuff they say is crazy. I've heard about these things, alright? So we want to make sure the skin is clear. You can't be too cool to, take care of your skin, because it's the only skin you got, man, unless you whatever. Alright, so it's also going to cleanse the hair. Like I said, it's going to take the impurities out of the beard, out of the follicles, so you can kind of get a clean slate. Alright, so what we're going to do, right, is take this. Listen, this is key. You gotta use plastic. Put it in a plastic cup. Use a plastic utensil to stir it up. Alright? Natural raw ingredients and metal just don't mix. So, take a little bit of this. I ain't even gonna cut that out. Stuff happens. Alright? Take a little bit of this. Shake it in this plastic cup. You don't need a whole lot. I'm going to show you. You're going to create a mixture. Alright? Boom. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'm making a little bit of a mess. You can make a mess. It's cool as long as you clean it up, man. Alright? So get that off. Get that off my logo right there, little Batman. Alright? So then, you got apple cider vinegar. Alright? Raw apple cider vinegar. That's what's going to extract all the bad out of the facial hair, all the stuff out of the follicles. You know what I'm saying? So you take a little bit of that. You want to put just about that much in there. Alright? Take your plastic utensil, mix it up. You're going to create a paste. Not too thick, but not too runny, because you want to be able to apply it evenly. Alright? So mix it. I never claimed this was going to be pretty. None of that. Alright? See, I done made a mess of myself. I got a little on my beard, which is cool. But that's where it's going anyway. Alright? Keep mixing, mixing. Make sure you get down in there. Yeah. Anyway, everybody good, man? How y'all doing? While I'm doing this, man, I can check on the people, man. And I appreciate you viewing. I appreciate you tuning in, man. If you've gotten to this point and you see what I'm doing, still mixing, still mixing. You see it's getting a little thicker, becoming a paste. Alright, let me see if I can show you. It's becoming a bit of a paste. You want to keep mixing. You want to have a good mixture here because you want to apply it, like I said, apply it evenly and also have enough so you're not running out and trying to add more to it, which, you know, may or may not take away from the situation. Alright, so I think I got it mixed up good. Oh yeah, got a nice little paste going here. Boom. Yeah, you want it to be, look like oatmeal. You want it to be oatmeal-y. Alright? That's not a word, but oatmeal. Alright. First thing you want to do, like I said, you just came from work. You don't want to wash your face. But you do want to, I had this prepared already like they do on the cooking show. Wipe your face, man. Just wipe your face, wipe your beard. That's all you want to do. Honestly, every day you want to come in, clean your face. It's been a long day, a lot of stuff flying around. You ain't got to scrub it or none of that. Just wipe it down. Especially if you got to do something else, you got to run back out, wipe it down, keep it going. Alright? With this, now that you've wiped your face, wiped your beard, we're going to put this also in the beard, but also on the face, man. Create a mask. Get the impurities out, man. You want to live a positive life? Get rid of all that negative. Alright? Point blank period. So, application is simple. You got the same spoon that you were stirring with. Alright? Take it. It's going to look nasty. It's going to be cold. I just want to prepare you so you're ready. Alright? Take this. Put it there. Boom. Start getting it all over. Just like that. Get it all over. All into the bed. Make sure you get underneath there too. Don't ever forget. Because you need that to grow as well. You gotta take care of it. Under your chin, sides, all of that. Get it in there. Hold that cup, see, start get a little messy. Hold that cup under there, because last thing you want to do is have somebody complaining about you not cleaning up. You know what I'm saying? I'ma go to New York. I got the drug, I got the sauce. You can see it when I walk. I bet the cash, ain't got a bag. I don't even wanna talk. Get in that pot, scribble the dough. Why me whip up with a phone? Get on my bags in the 8. Want the dope? I'ma go to New York. Next step, you got it in the beard. You want to take a comb. Alright? Comb it through. Make sure you want to get all in there so it's evenly distributed. Not leaving nothing out. But remember, always use plastic. now that you got it evenly distributed, you got it all through your beard. Alright, you want to take and what you have left in the cup, you want to take, now we're going to apply it to the skin, man. Put it on your face, make a mask. Alright, so now that I got that applied evenly, the thing we're going to do is let it dry. It's going to dry into a hard mask, right? And then you just let it sit for a little bit, maybe 10 minutes, and you wash it out. Jump in the shower, that's best case scenario. Jump in the shower, wash it out. One of the most important things in life is taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself includes taking care of your skin. Alright, so this is one of those things that's absolutely necessary for us as brothers to do, because I mean, the first thing somebody sees is your face. Like, you don't want somebody looking at, I'm telling you, they call us alligator skin. Alright? They call us alligator skin. You wanna walk around looking like Deadpool without the mask, man? It's the last thing you want, man. Think you out here fly, you got your whatever you wear, Gucci, whatever you got on, but from the neck up, you looking horrible. You don't want to be that dude, man. Alright, so take care of your skin. I'm gonna show you how to take care of your beard. If you're trying to grow a beard from start to finish, man, I used to have, you know, the baby face. I used to have the patch, you know, the Anthony Hamilton struggle beard. All of that, man. I specifically cut my beard down so that I could show y'all the growth through maintenance. Alright? So we're gonna let this, you know, dry, and I'm gonna show y'all the after, man. You saw it before. I'm gonna show you the after. It's not gonna be drastic, but it's enough to show you with proper maintenance. You do this 2 times a week, man, your skin will look better. Your beard will look better. You got that shine to it, start growing, because you're getting the impurities out. Alright? That's the whole point of this. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Yeah. Alright. So we here, as you can see, most of this is dry. It's been about 10-12 minutes. So you want it to dry on your skin, man. It's like stiff. I can't really talk, but you can feel it. It tightens up. It's pulling out all the impurities, and you're gonna look and feel a lot better because you know you're taking care of yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna wash this off, right? Normally I would get in the shower, but for the video purposes and time purposes, let me just wash it off. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, real quick, I want to show y'all, man, it's very important to make sure you get it all out, because clearly you see I didn't get it all out. Alright, so I use black seed soap with shea butter. Alright, so you take a little bit, put it in your hand as soap. It don't take a lot. Put it in there. Get a good lather going. Make sure you're working it through. But I ain't used quite enough, it seems. So I'm taking and put it on. You know what I'm saying? Put it away like this. I promise you, this right here is the business right here. Trust me. I'll be right back. Yeah, so y'all saw how my skin looked at the beginning of this video, right? Wasn't too bad, but at the same time it was oily and, you know. So the effect that you see on your skin is the same effect that you're going to get in your beard. Alright, taking the impurities out, getting that oil and gunk out of your pores. Same thing in your beard. See, now my beard look a little luxurious and it's got a little glow to it because it's clean. You understand what I'm saying? That's what you want. You want to make sure you clean your beard regularly, twice a week like this. Every day you want to wipe it down, wash it out. But twice a week like this, get the impurities out. Beginning of the week, kind of toward the middle, almost the end of the week. Alright? Your beard will grow. You'll have like that sheen, that glow to it. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. That's what we're looking for. That's how you get growth. And that's how you get a beard. Not facial hair. A beard. It's two different things. Alright, so until next time, man, I'm going to show y'all some other stuff. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, do all of that. Alright?